Hi, I'm Karen and I make art, all kinds of art. In my last video, I showed you how I took a container and made a head planter cordo. Now, I will take this coffee creamer and make Pinkie. Here's how. Things that I already had were used for the body and legs, and then I sculpted it with aluminum foil and Pal Tiya. I find this medium very lightweight and cures quickly and very strong. Great for mosaics. Trash to treasures is the theme for making Pinkie, and I used aluminum cans, foam toys, broken bowls and dishes, and a lot of stained glass and tiles. Some of Pinkie was grouted, but not all. Parts were painted, as you can see. The last step was giving Pinkie a weighted base so that he would stay upright and wouldn't fall. I imagine Pinkie is extremely curious and wants to inspect everything in his world. Pinkie and I thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!